on Tuesday, February 17th at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for 100% free. All of your wildest dreams will come true. Okay, maybe not all of your wildest dreams, but I'm hosting a free workshop. This is going to be me and you live on Zoom, and it's going to be insane. If you've ever attended one of my live workshops in the past, then you know they're awesome. They're fun. It's not just like a boring PowerPoint. Here's what to do. Here's what you should know. You're getting some of the craziest education imaginable, and it's fun. It's awesome. We do a Q&A near the end. It's a great time. This workshop is titled Words That Pull. I think it's absolutely insane the way that so many dating coaches are just telling you to just feel confident, it's internal, it's hold frame. When in reality, a big part of you feeling confident can come from feeling prepared, knowing you have lines, knowing that you're saying the right things. And so at the Words That Pull workshop, that is what I'm going to give you, again, for 100% free. Now, everything I'm giving you on this workshop is going to range from online game openers, making conversations spicier on dates or during night game, day game openers, and closing routine. Everybody who registers right now is going to receive a replay of the workshop. But when you attend live, you're going to receive two awesome bonuses. Number one, you're going to get all of these lines and scripts on a concise one-page small print PDF for you to save on your phone. And number two, I'm going to be doing an insane day game infield breakdown where I use conversation a lot and I end up getting a day game street makeout. I've never posted this. You've never even seen a clip of this infield. What I am giving you in this workshop, most coaches are incapable of giving to you because they just don't got it like that. And even if they could, they would never give it to you for free. Sign up right now for the Words That Pull workshop. Let's go. February 17th, baby. I'll see you there.